Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your market insights with Crypto.com, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit the official Crypto.com website. Create an account if you haven't already. Complete the necessary identity verification process. Once logged in, navigate to the Insights section on the homepage. Explore the various categories available for market insights. Select the specific asset or market you wish to research. Review the up-to-date analytics provided for that asset. Utilize the charting tools to analyze price trends over different timeframes. Adjust indicators based on your trading strategies and preferences. Take note of the news and events affecting the market's current landscape. Use the News tab to stay updated with the latest announcements. Consider following industry experts available on the platform for expert insights. Join community discussions in the forums to gain diverse perspectives. Save your favorite insights for quick access later. Set up alerts for significant market movements or changes. Regularly review your saved insights to stay informed. Use the gathered information to make informed trading decisions. Monitor the performance of assets in your portfolio using the insights gathered. Revisit the Insights section frequently to adapt to market changes. Take advantage of learning resources provided by Crypto.com to deepen your understanding. By following these steps, you'll enhance your market insights effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.